Hey guys, welcome to Kakao Academy channel. Gauss here, and today we're going to talk about another quick exercise called valid palindrome. Given a string S, determine if it is a palindrome considering only alphanumeric characters and ignoring cases. So we have string S as an input string, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. So basically, if we strip it down, bring it to lowercase, eliminate or get rid of all the non-alphanumeric characters, we end up having like something like that. And it is a palindrome because no matter if you read it from left to right or from right to left, it will end up being the same. So how can we determine using our code implementation if it's a palindrome or not? Let's see. So first of all, let's use a function is palindrome. Now we've got our string, and let's create a new list of characters. So char list, new linked list. And the reason I'm using linked is because order does make a difference here, so we want to preserve order of insertion. Okay, next we can do the following. We can say that for character C, let's make it for character C in S dot to char array. Okay, so we're gonna parse our string, and we're gonna say that if C or if character is letter or digit, right? Alphanumeric letter or digit C, then they say char list dot add C, and this would be enough. However, we know that if we look at the string, that it might have both upper and lower case letters. So in case we do end up having uppercase letter or character, we need to bring it down to lowercase. So we do character to lowercase c. Okay, so this way we assure that all the characters that go into char list would be brought down to lowercase. Okay, right now let's say we ended up parsing our array. So what's next? Next we need to make sure that the string is a palindrome by comparing its elements. So basically it is element with index 0 same as element with index size of array -1, or list in this case. So let's introduce two indexes first. Start index equals 0. Whoops. And index equals. And index would be, so since we're parsing through char list, then we say char list dot size -1. Okay, and we're saying while end index is more or equal to start index, we say if char list dot get start index. And here comes the funny thing. So basically we need to compare two characters, and the way we compare two characters is by calling the following. We say character compare. So we say compare char list at index start and Charlie's get end index. Now let's look into the compare method, and it returns an integer, so returns the value 0 if x equals y. That's what we need. Awesome. So we say if not equals 0, then return false right away. Okay, in all other test cases return true. And of course, since we're using the indexes, we need to update those as well. We say start, so we're moving from left to right. We say plus equals 1, and end index, we're moving from right to left towards the start one. We say minus equals 1. Okay, so looks like we are good to go. Inline compare call. Okay, let's try to simplify it. Okay, let's try to simplify it and run it. So I expect it to be true. Awesome, it works. So this is our quick peek into the valid palindrome exercise. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Thank you.